Hello friends, today I'll be discussing on basic pathology laboratory instruments and accessories. The most important instrument is microscope. Centrifuge. It is used to separate various components of a fluid, for example, separating serum, plasma and blood cells from whole blood. Incubator. An incubator is a device used to grow and maintain microbiological cultures or cell cultures. Hot air oven. A hot air oven is a type of dry heat sterilization is used on equipment that cannot be wet and on material that will not melt, catch fire or change form when exposed to high temperatures. Items that are sterilized in a hot air oven include glassware, powder, materials that contain oil, metal equipments like scalpels, scissors, and blades. Water bath. A water bath is a laboratory equipment made from a container filled with heated water. Utilization includes warming of reagents, melting of substrate, or incubation of cell cultures. It is also used to enable certain chemical reactions to occur at high temperatures. Water bath is a preferred heat source for heating flammable chemicals instead of an open flame to prevent ignition. Colorimeter. Colorimetric assays use reagents that undergo a measurable color change in the presence of the analyte. They are widely used in biochemistry to test for the presence of enzymes, specific compounds, antibodies, hormones, and many more analytes. Autoclave. Autoclave is used to decontaminate certain biological waste and sterilize media, instruments, and labware. Regulated medical waste that might contain bacteria, viruses, and other biological material are recommended to be inactivated by autoclaving before disposal. Biosafety cabinets. A biosafety cabinet, also called a biological safety cabinet or microbiological safety cabinet, is an enclosed, ventilated laboratory workspace for safely working with materials contaminated with pathogens requiring a defined biosafety level. Micropipette. Micropipettes are utilized in the laboratory to transfer small quantities of liquid. Hemocytometer. The hemocytometer is a counting chamber device originally designed and usually used for counting blood cells. ESR stand with tubes. ESR, erythrocyte sedimentation rate, is a test that indirectly measures the degree of inflammation present in the body. Also, you see disposable ESR pipette, wash bottle, cup plunger. Accessories like immersion oil, tissue paper, distilled water. Micropipette stand, glass pipette stand, test tube stand, glass pipette pump, forceps, inoculation loop. These are accessories. Glass slide, cover slip, slide tray, slide box, slide staining tray, pass-through pipette. Blood drawing accessories. These are the sample vials. You can see different types of vials. Plain vial, then EDTA vial, sodium heparin vial, sodium citrate vial, serum separating tube, heparin vial. Different color of the cap indicates different types of tubes. The equipment necessary to perform a vein puncture, gloves, needle, the hub, butterfly needle, vials, different types of vials, alcohol swab, syringe, tourniquet, sample container, needle destroyer. Here you see phlebotomy kit box, swab stick, needle destroyer, cytobrush and accessories for pap test, RBC pipette, WBC pipette, pass-through pipette, hemoglobin tube, hemocytometer set, microtubes, Aliquot vial, tip box, petri dish, funnel, conical flask, beaker, centrifuge tube, glass pipette, measuring cylinder, test tube. All these glass material, glasswares. These glasswares are used in the laboratory most frequently. Visit next video for pathology test and necessary chemicals and kits. For purchase and lab setup, you can mail to us, mail ID mmdscientific@gmail.com, and our website https mmdscientific.com. Thank you.